Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are vibing in the kitchen. So I'm gonna show you guys some recipes that I make for my husband whenever he's going to work, and this has literally put me in trouble. Yes, most of the time when he takes this to work, his co-workers want my number. No cap, I'm seriously telling you this. Okay, so there's really no secrets to it, and I just thought, you know what, I'm gonna come here and share with you guys how I make quick, easy, and healthy lunch for my hubby. So I'm gonna be sharing with you 3 recipes in this video, and there's still so much more, but I don't want to make this video too long, and we're just gonna start with the first one. So I'm using cottage cheese instead of milk. Whenever I'm making my egg, I like to add like milk or cottage cheese, just to add to the nutrients. So when it comes to cottage cheese, it's high in protein, low in calories, and it's so filling. So guys, that is just like a perfect combination. Also, it gives it that fluffy texture, which I really like for my eggs. So yeah, I've been able to influence my husband, and he doesn't mind me adding cottage cheese in my egg. If you don't like it, just skip that step. But yeah, you're gonna be needing other healthy ingredients like your fermented peppers, pickled peppers and pickles, and you can add some sweet dressing like poppy seed dressing. That would just add to the flavor, and that's pretty much it, guys. These recipes are going to be super easy and super quick, like I said, because one thing about me making lunches, I don't like to spend so much time in the kitchen, and my husband doesn't like taking heavy meals to work. So that is it for the first recipe. You definitely want to add some fruits like cucumber. It's just a perfect match. Alright, so day 2 is here, and we're going to be making something more meaty, savory, something extra. We're going to be using tofu. This is also vegetarian, vegan friendly. And if you guys want to keep it strictly vegan, you can definitely swap the mayonnaise for vegan mayonnaise. But yeah, we're starting with our tofu. I like to fry it on both sides. You can use a medium to firm tofu. And I just like to add some paprika, some parsley, salt to season it.
That's why you're looking older than your age. But you carry so much stress. Somebody walks out of your life. Tell the person, save Johnny. A young man say, I'm not marrying you again. Tell him bye-bye. If there is first John, there is second John. If there is first Peter, if there is first Kings, first Samuel, don't let nobody intimidate you.
One thing I really like about this recipe is it's super flavorful and it's so filling as well. Like I'm using the likes of cottage cheese, avocado, of course some fermented peppers. I just love anything fermented. It gives it that tangy taste. And it's obviously more healthy when you eat fermented food. And this recipe, you can definitely skip the cottage cheese if you don't want that and use like a cream instead, or you could just use cheese, any other cheese that you prefer. Enough of the boring breakfast or lunch options like bread and butter, bread and egg. Come on, let's spice things up a little bit. This is a perfect combination of spicy, sweet, and I'm adding some sweet potato that I air fried. I already cut the sweet potato, adding some leftover homemade dressing for the sweet potato. Alright friends, if you're enjoying this video so far, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Now it's day 3 and we're keeping it pretty fast and simple. Now this is one of my favorite recipes because I'm such an egg lover. So you're gonna need boiled eggs, and I'm using yogurt. You can use another dressing if you want. I just love to add yogurt and, sorry, not yogurt, kefir. I'm using kefir, homemade kefir, so you can use yogurt instead of kefir. I just love kefir because it's more nutritious, it has more probiotic, and we are going for healthy. As you guys know, if you've been following me this year on the channel, I've been in my healthy girl era, and I've been dragging my poor husband to do the same. So he's getting used to it, it's not that bad. So this recipe is actually really delicious. And if you guys are wondering how I'm layering, the sandwich, I got inspired from, some Korean sandwich. Some of you, if you're familiar with that, you know what I'm talking about. But like layering your sandwich like this just takes it from 0 or 1 to like 100. This is the third recipe and it's super easy. You can just combine leftovers from your fridge. The filling itself is inspired by coleslaw in Nigeria. And yeah, I don't like to add a lot of pepper or a lot of other strong taste in this particular recipe because I want to have more of the egg, more of the creamy mayonnaise flavor in this particular one. So I'm using some pickled peppers sparingly in this. And that's it, guys. Let me know if you enjoyed watching this video. I wanted to keep it quick, simple, and I also wasn't sure if you guys would take this, if you'd like to watch something like this or not. But trust me, I have a lot more videos that are in my draft. So if you guys want to see like cooking videos like this or meal prep videos like this, let me know. Hit me up in the comments. Just leave a comment for me or just give this video a thumbs up, because the more engagement I get in the video, then that will be a sign for me to make more of this because you guys want to see it. Alright, that is it for day 3. We have our yummy sandwich. You guys definitely need to try this one out. Let me know if you try any of them out, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Keep shining. Bye.